WhatsApp is now a big space to attract audience and make huge amount of money. But one thing to know is that without good knowledge and strategy you might end up making nothing from WhatsApp. If you are not getting status views on your WhatsApp, don't panic. Here is the best 3 solution to get you viral. Number 1. Post beautiful and attractive photos last. The last item or image you posted last on your status become the thumbnail of your status. So do try posting beautiful and attractive image of people or item at the last so it will attract viewers to rush to your status. You can see the example on the image below. Number 2. Don't spam your WhatsApp status. When I say spamming your WhatsApp status, I simply mean don't upload stuffs on your status too much. Uploading too much on your status will make your viewers feel disgusting, end up not even clicking on your status. Always upload simple and less on your status to comfort your viewers so they will always be waiting for your next upload. Number 3. Target the right time to post on your status. There are some times that when you post on your status you won't get views. Yes, it's because you posted at the time your viewers are not online to view. It's okay. The best time to upload in the morning is by 6 AM to 9 AM. And the best time to upload in the evening is by 5 PM to 10 PM. If you get this content valuable, please like, subscribe and share this video to your loved ones.